Hello friends, let's fire our bellies together today as we embark on a 10-minute ab routine. So we're going to challenge our core. Hopefully we'll find all the muscles in our stomach, the ones that run straight up and down and the ones that run in diagonal. And then of course some of our back muscles, because without a strong front and back, we don't have a strong core. So as we get started, if you need to take breaks, please take breaks. If you would like to do more than me, you can do more. And then if you would like to repeat this video twice, then it will be 20-minute abs other than 10-minute abs. Other than that, we're going to get rolling soon and allow our stomachs to get nice and warm. Okay everyone, let's go ahead and lay on our backs. Allow your hands to come behind your head. Pull your low belly in. So if I were to slide my hand under your back, I'd want you to be able to push down. And then from here, just start basic crunches, up and down. Lift and lower. And then as you do this, I want you to root through your feet, keep your knees in line with your middle toes, and raise your shoulder blades off the ground. So this is your warm-up. This should feel easy and not too challenging. Good, let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna extend our legs out in 2 and 1. Lower your left hand, raise your right arm over your head, and then exhale, reach your right hand to left toes. Inhale overhead, exhale, option 1, bend the knee. Option 2, reach for the toes. Notice I'm not going speedy fast. I'm taking my time. 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up. 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up. Let's do 4 more. Lower, 1, 2. Try to sit up straight, lift your chest. Last one here. And then we're just gonna switch side. Lower the right hand, inhale, raise the left. Exhale, touch. Remember option 1, bend the knee. That's gonna help you, especially if you're tight in your hamstrings. Reach up. 4 more on that side. 1. Use your other hand to help you push. 2, 3, last 1, and 4. Stay seated here. Kind of roll over the spine, relax your neck any. Relax your shoulders, lift up, find your boat. Bring your hands to your heart center, squeeze your knees together. Exhale, twist side to side. 8, chest up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold right here in center, lift your chest higher. And then very gently from this place, place your hands next to you, lift your heart. Option 1, stay. Option 2, lower and then hug in. Lower and hug in. Lower and hug. If that's too hard, just stay seated. You can also help yourself out. You can hold your legs and pull it in, but I would just stay here instead. Let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, last 1, and 4. From there, cross your ankles, come forward to your hands and your knees. And then as you ground your hands down, you'll step back to high plank, top of a push-up. Pull your low belly in, lift your heart forward, and breathe slowly. I want you to take your right hand out to 2 o'clock. Hold it there. So if 12 o'clock were where my head is, 2 o'clock is slightly to the right. And then on your next breath, bring that right hand back, bring your left toes out to 7 or 8 o'clock. Hold there. Engage your belly, bring those legs back together, bring your left hand out to 10 or 11 o'clock. Hold it there. Bring it back, and now bring your right foot out. You're gonna find 4 or 5 o'clock. Hold it there. 3, 2, bring your feet back together, engage your core. And then exhale, you're just gonna tap your knees down, push back. Tap, press, tap, press. Good. 8, push. 7, push. 6, push. 5, halfway there. 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Good. You're gonna lower to your right forearm. As you do that, take your feet in a scissor-like position, bring your hand to your hip, and then gently start to lower and lift your hips. So you're gonna work into your obliques. Notice your breath, and then as you lift and lower, feel your core. Last 4, 3, 2, raise your hips up, and then reach up for 1. Hold it there. Look all the way up if you can, and then slowly lower. Switch sides. You can face the same way and turn away from me, but I'm going to turn towards you. Second arm, 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. Reach up. Option to stay here if you're still learning, otherwise lift and lower. Up and down. Good. Feel your obliques. Let's do 4, 3, 2. Take 1 more. Hold it up. Reach up. Maybe look up. And then come back onto your spines. As you lay on your back, we're going to raise our legs. We're going to place our hands underneath our tailbone and reach our toes towards the sky. Exhale, pull your shoulder blades down, but now tuck your chin. Slowly lower one leg and then the other. Lower and lower. If this hurts your back, bend your knees and tap your heels. Good. Stay here with bent knees or straight legs, or both heels tap and in, tap and in, or both legs hover and lift. Hover and lift. So either stay single leg or work with bent knees, or both legs straight up and straight down. Good. For 4, whichever one you choose. 3, 2, remove your hands on 1, lay them next to you, raise your legs up. Now I want you to lift your butt 2 inches, put it down. So it's not a swinging sensation. It's a lift and lower, lift and lower. 8, put it down. 7, put it down. 6, 5, you should feel your low belly. 4, 3, 2, last one. And then raise your arms. Crunch up to your toes. Reach, reach, reach. Try to push through your heels. Make your legs really straight. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Let your knees bend. Place your hands behind your head. Exhale, crunch up and lower. Tailbone lifts and lowers. So we're putting them together. Crunch and lower, tailbone up, tailbone down. Upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body. For 4, lift your tailbone. 3, lift your tailbone. 2, booty up. Last one, crunch up, tailbone up, and then release your feet. Lower your hands next to you and then pull your shoulders back and down. Relax your toes. Place your hands behind your head, hug your knees in, exhale, twist, twist, twist. Opposite elbow, opposite thigh bone. Rotate the tricep across if you can. For 8, switch. 7, switch. 6, stay with me, try not to take a break. You're almost done with your 10 minutes. Good work. For 3, 2, last one each side, and then give your knees a little squeeze. From there, press up. Sit up nice and tall, lift your heart, extend your arms forward. Exhale, we're gonna come back 2 inches, come forward. Come back, come forward. Come back and come forward. 3 more. Back, lift your chest. Back, lift your chest. You should feel this little break. Back, lift your chest, cross those ankles, and then we'll return to plank. Drop your forearms this time. Hug your legs in nice and tight. Pull your belly button to your spine. Lift your chest forward. Take your time here. Slowly roll the right hip to the right. Hold it. 3, 2, bring it up. Roll it to the left. Hold it. 3, 2. Bring it up to the right, hold it. 3, 2, bring it up to the left, hold it. 3, 2, and now side to side for 8, 7, 6, drop those heels. 4, 3, 2, and then on 1, lay flat. Allow the tops of your feet to come down, pull your throat forwards for Sphinx, a little stretch here. Exhale as you go flat. Last effort here, final 30 seconds. You're gonna place your forehead on your hands. You're gonna lift and lower, lift and lower, lift and lower. Good, up and down, up and down, lift and lower, lift and lower. Final 8, 7, 6, 5, just close your eyes if you want. You're almost there. 3, 2, and rest. Put an ear down, rock your feet as you your knees side to side. Turn your head the opposite way to relax your neck. Take your time, relax your toes, curl them. Take your hands next to you. Inhale, stretch out through the front body. Exhale, walk your knees in. Take child's pose. Good, relax any tension that built in your back. Thank yourself so much for your healthy, strong body. And again, repeat if you want to make it a little bit harder, or just enjoy these 10-minute abs. They're a great pairing with one of my other yoga classes, or if you do a cardio class before or after. Enjoy your day, guys. Nice job.